Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're finishing up in a 60-acre field. Well, kind of already done here, but it's about 12 o'clock. The past couple days we've been working on this 120 acres back here between two fields. It's not really a fast field because there are some hills and point rows and everything like that, but we got that done now, so we're getting ready to move down to another field. I'm just waiting on them to get here with the truck to move the head wagon, so I'm gonna clean my floor because it's getting kind of nasty down here. So we're gonna clean this up and while we're waiting. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get this head unhooked here while we're kind of waiting. Gotta get this. Shoot. Oh, that's not very easy to film. I'm gonna do that. Set that up there. There. Now. Alright, the head is unhooked. I guess I should have brought you guys with me because we went and moved the soybean combine. Hopefully we're gonna run some soybeans today. Not with this one, but with the other combine. So anyways, we're gonna get moved down the road to the next field. Alright, well, we got this field done. Basically the only thing I can do, unless I go through a bunch of trouble to go out to the next field, it's gonna rain in the morning, so we're gonna put the combine in the barn down here and we will see what the weather brings. I just blew the combine off and now there's stuff in my eyes, which is a big shocker, of course. Alright, let's get our hoppers folded down. Still the most amazing option on this combine. Would not go without that. Makes me really lazy. Don't have to get out. Well, I guess I'll fill you guys in on what's going on. So it is 11 o'clock right now. So I quit combining earlier, put the combine away. Like I said, it's about 11 o'clock. We're running this airway, putting down some cover crop. We got barley in there right now. We're putting barley down on all of the soybean stubble. Getting ready for corn next year. So get down here to our next pass. Alright. Not a bad way to spend the night. Auto steer, big field. This thing about 7 or 7.5. It's not having a whole lot of trouble. I have the airway cheated up a little bit because this is the ground. This is where we had, I guess I could turn the light on for you guys so you can see me. There. This is the ground where we had that mud pit last year combining this. It was really muddy because we had worked it the year before because we put sludge on here. So that left the ground pretty soft, and the ground is still pretty soft out here, so I got that cheated up a little bit so it's not going so deep and not picking up all that residue, because it was making big mounds. So I got it cheated up a little bit, let me pull it a little bit faster, well, a little bit easier, higher gear, so that's helping with that. But Cody is still cutting beans at 11 o'clock at night. The wind is blowing, so we're trying to get, well, he's trying to get, not we. They're trying to get an 80-acre field done, so him him and my sister are over there getting that. She's in the grain cart for him, so Dad's running trucks for them, trying to keep them going. So anyways, we'll keep going. I'll see how long I'll last. I'm just gonna go till I run out of seed tonight. All right, we are back in the barn, so I think it's about 1 o'clock or something like that. Anyways, still combining beans, wind's still blowing, so that's good. I'll go check in on them. All right, well, I don't know the last time I talked to you guys, but it has been a while. We've been rolling along with harvest, kind of behind, really. I just cannot say that I've ever been out here in the combine when it's snowing. The other day we got like 4 or 5 inches of snow. Today is November, today is November the 16th. It's been a while since we've had that early of a snow, I would think, but there you go. So we got 8 acres left in this field. So Dad finally just got back with a truck. Not really yielding great in this field, but we're gonna get it done. So hopefully I can get it done. Hopefully we don't have issues with this snow getting in the combine, because it likes to build up on them plants. So hopefully we don't have any troubles with that. All right, well, we got it done. I got out and checked the sieves basically every round to make sure we weren't plugging anything up with the snow, and it seems to be doing okay. It seems like it's a real dry snow, so it's not really sticking terribly. So we got done though. That's really all that matters. But hopefully this will kind of melt off in the morning, and then we can get going on another 80-acre field tomorrow. This is just a good field to have done, so that way we can get the head off here in a second. I'm gonna unload what I got on Cody. I don't know if it'll all fit. Dad should be coming back here with the truck any minute, so we'll get that done here. I don't think I can fit all this on there. I got them 80% full, so pretty full here. I'm trying to do this with one hand. And then I gotta make sure that everything's clean on this combine. I need to check everything, make sure there's nothing built up, because that's not gonna be very fun in the morning if we got something frozen up. So
are you gonna be able to get it all on here?
I doubt it.
You did say shove it back, right?
Yeah. Alright, I gotta put this down. I gotta unload this.
I'll be there in 5 minutes.
Perfect. Should be here in 5 minutes. Well, it all fit on there. Good thing we don't have to put the tarp over, because we would have had to do some shuff on there. So much for my nice, dry, clean combine. That came to an end tonight, so yeah. It was really going to be an easy year cleaning up this combine. Just lost it right here at the end of the race, so guess we'll have to deal with it. But it could have been a lot worse. There's places that probably don't have any snow on them or moisture because they're underneath the side shields, so that's helpful, but still gonna be a pain. So anyways, we'll get up here and get the head taken on. All right, good morning everybody. It is about 10, 11 o'clock or something like that, and we're down here in a pretty big field here. We got this section done yesterday, and this section over here, about 18 acres, just happens to be the last 18 acres of corn that we have left at the combine. So we're gonna try to get this knocked out here this morning. Hopefully we have enough room at the bins so we can get everything in, because it's gonna be really tight. So but that is definitely a good problem to have, making really good corn. So we'll get over here and get started on the last 18 acres. All right, one of the last times unloading on the go. Got a couple passes left over there after this one. Kind of working on these point rows here, got them knocked out. Just got probably, I don't know, probably 6 passes over there. Guess I should turn the unload on, that would help. distracted videoing. Alright, we got 2 passes left. We are getting real close. Finishing as this 3rd one here. We got 2 more left there. Double check my counting so we come out right at the end. It's always important to come out right and not have 1 row left, because that's never good. So, just unloaded. Coming down here into this bottom. Coming up on the hill here. Drops down into the creek bottom. The creek's right over there where those trees start. Alright, here it is. Last pass. Told Jacob this is the last time unloading on a go. This will be it. You guys are probably tired of this view. So, better soak up the rest of it here. Alright, there's the end right up there. This is it. Pass we've been waiting for since we started. Alright, well, there you go. There he is. He's pulling up to put the last load on the truck. He said he can get it all on there, 61,000. Yeah. I guess he'll put it all on there. So we'll get this head set off on the trailer. We'll probably just bring the truck and the semi back home, and then we can come out later and get the combine, grain cart, and the head. That way we have enough people to bring it all. Alright, we got the head off, sitting over there. I blew the worst of the stuff off the combine with the leaf blower. We'll use the big air compressor to blow it off real good, but not bad. So we'll go head back to the farm and see if we can get the soybean combine moving. We got a 60-acre field left and an 80-acre field left. They're the beans that didn't come up very well, so we're just kind of waiting on those to finish up, because they came up so late because they were stuck under all that wheat stubble that we didn't end up combining. So anyways, we're gonna go see if we can get that going and see if we can get that finished up here tomorrow or next day.